Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. I'll follow up on that antique Marx motor. As you know, the lever was broken off. So I have repaired it somewhat, just as a quick test. This is the end off of a 490 push rod, as you see. It's about the right size. I think it's a bit too long, but I just soldered it to the nub of the original lever. And it works. No doubt about that. As you see. So I need to measure an original to find out how long it actually was. But it's a simple repair. I just soldered it to the nub of that broken lever, what was left of it. And like I said, it's about the right size. So just wanted to see if it was possible to do a quick repair on this. Obviously it is. It only took a second to do this. It's reasonably straight. It's about the same size as the bar below it, as you see. So it was an expedient, if nothing else. The thing is, it worked. And should be fairly robust. And that switch, you have to get it, as you see, pulled tight. That switch is really, really loose. You can see how much wobble there is in that switch itself. Because this lever is just pushing that switch back and forth. That's really all it's doing. So I haven't tried cleaning the contacts yet, but you can see how wobbly it is. It is really, really loose. Anyway, there's no practical way to repair it. I'm not even going to try. If you break that switch, you'll have to do a bypass on it. But the motor's up and running. That's the neat thing about it. It's actually running really well, as you see. And now that it has the lever, it is virtually complete. Not correct or original, but at least there's a lever up there now. So anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. That was just a quick experiment. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.